Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. I'll be guiding you on how to loop video on Instagram story in this tutorial. Let's get started. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the top left. Now to loop your story, go to Camera. Then tap on the infinity icon at the left side, that is Boomerang. Then record the video. Now as you can see, the video is in loop. After you're satisfied, tap on your story at the bottom. And that is how to loop video on Instagram story. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.